Hi guys, Louise here from Lucky Night Studio. I want to take you through the process of taking one of our existing client websites and we're moving it over to Squarespace. This will give the client more freedom and flexibility about what they can do than the original custom-built website that we did for them. Because it was a custom-built website that Nay very lovingly designed, there's lots of CSS, there's lots of bright colours, of course, some animation, there's gradient backgrounds, there's kind of boxes and things, so there's a lot of customization on this one. I take you through the whole process and I kind of talk through it, and you can kind of see me troubleshooting and thinking about different ways of adjusting a Squarespace website. So hopefully this is kind of interesting and helpful. But yeah, if you enjoy this and you want some more, just add a little comment below, okay? Cheers! Okay, so here is the lovely website which we are going to move across to Squarespace. The very beautiful Tilly smiling away there. Right, so I've got a completely blank Squarespace site. First thing I'm going to do is get in my colours, which I have here in my code. Now the thing is, I've got a lot more colours than this kind of colour palette. So, I've actually, I've put a few of them in, as you can see. Is that the main? Trying to work out. I think these will be the top ones. This pink, I think, needs to be the more darker pink, as that's used more. But we'll give it a go. So, and then next is, this is the Google font, which actually isn't in the Squarespace font, which is a bit annoying, but that's okay, because we can add that in there as a custom font. I think they've moved it to here. I have downloaded it, so we're going to add it as our font. Oh, I've just realised, sorry, that you can't see it if I move it over there. Of course, we want the static. Oh, and which one do I use most? We might need to put a few of them in, but let me just double check. Which one do I use? I think it's medium. It's probably regular actually, isn't it? Yeah, that looks about right. We might need to add some more in later, but we'll see how we kind of get on, shall we? Okay, and next I need to actually import it. So we're going to do the font space, and try not to misspell, and then font family. This is called outfit. Oh, actually, I'm going to copy it from here just so that I've got my backup as well. Perfect. And then we just need to give it the source. And I think when I do this, yes, it does it. Okay, it does it like that, does it? Okay, right, let's wrap it then in our correct. Perfect. So let's make sure that this is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and E, and there's probably some more, but we will get to that when we do it. And then we want font family. Oh, and I've also got another one here, I've realised. Font family. It's still saying there's an error. I'm probably going to finish it. There's an error on line 2. Oh, that's why. Okay. Does not look like it's changed anything. Let's just put something in there. Oh, it's still got all these ones. Right, that does not look like it. So let's work out what we've done wrong. Might be that I need to family outfit is wrong. Maybe it's because it needs to not be in this. What's wrong with it? Let's have a look. You know, I realised I'm an idiot. It's because this should be, that should be the backup, and then this is just called outfit, of course, and hopefully give that a save, and maybe this will all work. Ah, there we go, that looks better, doesn't it? Let me just test it actually, just in case. So I'm just opening up the inspector just to check the actual code that is being applied to that element. Lovely, that already looks better. I actually love this font, so that's nice. Right, so we've got some colours in there. Tell you what, let's just start. How should we start? Let's just start with this block here. Yeah, the banner. Should we do that? Yes, okay. As you can tell, I haven't got a plan for this, so we'll just kind of give it a go. So this image here, I'm actually going to get the larger, bigger image from the actual code in a minute. But let's put in some blocks. So we're going to have the image there. Actually, I can just use that. And we are going to make this front. Going to be a button, so we don't want that there. Okie doke. And this has got a load of extra text. Oh. Okay, so this is my heading 1, and this is, what do I have it here? H2. That's good, but it's far too bold, but that's fine. We can work that out. And then a button that says get to know me, and I'm going to have to style up these buttons in a special way because they are a bit more custom, which is fine. Add a block, add a button. Yeah. I also think, does this need to go over a bit more? I need to probably. Probably that right. So get to know me. I need to make sure I link all these up as well before. Lovely, so I have to style up the buttons, but we are at least getting somewhere. So I'm going to just grab that image quickly. So let's upload the file. I actually got, let's see if I can copy this. Absolute half, let's see. There we go. I've got probably most of them organised. We've got Tilly banner image. Perfect. And design wise, let's fill. Content wise, I've actually already got styling. Okay, so and we also need a background box for this. So let's add. Do I want to add? Can you add gradients on shapes? Let's find out. Custom. Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? Okay, what we'll do instead then, because I really like the multicolour of this actually. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? Do you know what? I will, because I've got two ways of doing this. Either I could do an SVG and then add that gradient onto it, or which would kind of work the same, and at least then I can duplicate it. Let's see if I've got many of them throughout the site. No. Oh, it looks like if it's the only one, then I will just apply some CSS to it, which it looks like it might be. Yeah, that does look like it might be the only one. So, okay, in which case, yeah, I'll leave that as a shape and I'll just apply some CSS to kind of give it that popping look. Okie doke. So how do I have this on my homepage? Just trying to work out sizing with everything. Yeah, so this font seems a little bit big. Let's quickly just go to, what font size do I have it at on mine? I don't know if I can copy that, but we'll give it a go. Fonts, heading. Oh. Line height is fine. Okay, that seems. And then H2 is this one. Oh, it's got so specific. Oh God. Okay, that might be a bit better. And I'll guess I'll do the H3 and stuff as we go along. That already kind of seems a bit better. Okie doke. Okay, so it's the actual opposite way to what I've done it. Probably. No point me singing because you can't hear my music, because I'm sure I would have put on some royalty-free music over this video, hopefully. But also, I think edit section more, because there's a lot of padding. When I have the header in, I might know a bit more, but there's still a lot of padding. Oh, that's already a bit better. Okay. Phew. How are we looking? How are we looking? Oh, that's why, because I've got a button here as well, isn't it? Let's pull that down then. It doesn't have to be pixel perfect, I guess. I say this and then I'm just going to spend ages making it exactly pixel perfect. Okie doke. Right, so let's just do that CSS block now, because it'll be fun, and also because I'll forget otherwise. Now I have this tool, which is the extension to kind of give you these IDs. Whoa! So I like to just check. I'm going to say, oh God, I've got caps on. Background red. Just to check. Okay, doke. What's going on? Is it because it's overriding? No? This is why we check before I add in all the code. So let's inspect. It's probably that it's grabbed. Oh. So we've got that shape. Is that the block? Oh God. 7, 8. Yes. So, and then I want to grab. Oh. This. There we go. Oh, beautiful. That looks great, doesn't it? Okay, and what we're actually just going to do is, because we want it to be like this, I'm going to copy this one, which you can see my code here, and put it in. There we go. That does look slightly different. It doesn't, it's just because of the white wiping, isn't it? Yes, it is, Louise. Okay, let's save that. Let's go back into this, make this white. Ooh. How are we looking? Ah, we're getting somewhere. I mean, by somewhere, I mean only just the banner, which is an image and some text, but you know, got to celebrate the wins where you can. Okay, so I think all of these buttons, we've got far less padding. So let's have a little look and let's sort out these buttons. Is this not primary? Should be primary. Yeah, it's primary. Maybe none? Why is that? Oh, do you know what it is actually? Let's just kind of guess it's far less. Okay, save that. It's probably because I've got a fill on the button. I really don't like that it has it. I want fit. Okay, and now it looks completely different. So we do want some more padding. Okay, okay. Don't know why I keep saying okay, but let's have a look at all our buttons to see which one we probably have as the primary. So we've got quite a few white ones on there because we've often got coloured backgrounds. Another white, another white. Okay, it looks like white might be the primary. because we're using a lot of kind of blocks and backgrounds and stuff. Okay, I like it. Yeah, so I think I've got to go to colours, haven't I? This is lightest. If I can change the buttons here, I can. Lovely. Okay, so I want to change it to. Great if I stayed on the same page, you know, so I actually. Okay, I just want to change it to that white, and then the text is going to be that colour so we can actually see it. And I'll just. Yeah, I'll just do that for now. I can work on the other bits later because you don't know what I'm going to need to do. I think also I need to make the text weight 700. That's too thick. They're the only options I've got. I'll have to do that in the CSS as well, which is fine. Okay, let's have a look. Make sure it doesn't look right. Oh, this is going a lot deeper now. Okay, yeah, so it hasn't got the right button. Tell you what, let's grab all these and make sure that they are all correct. So we can go to custom CSS. Did I copy that? I'm going to copy the other ones as well, which is a bit annoying. That's because I need to put all this into body, probably best. So it doesn't seem to be. Oh, there we go. That looks better. Let's see. I should probably grab the other ones because this will. The other ones. Yeah. So we want all the font. Oh, cool. So if we can. Boop, boop. Oh, I want all of them. It'll be down here, wouldn't it? Oh, no. There we go. Right, so here are all the variables for the Squarespace site that it kind of comes with. Oh, because it does it for every section, doesn't it? Tell you what, let's just see. Oh, do you know what? Let's do it this way as well. If I just hide this. I just want to make sure that it's save. It should remove the styling. Give it a refresh because it just seems to need that sometimes. Okay, that's obviously not the correct one. So let's do that and then import it. If I can just override all of them because it will be really annoying otherwise to try and. Yeah, because that's not gonna get it, is it? Font family. Oh, I could just do. Here we go. So these are all the ones I want. Let's just kind of put them all in. Copy. So
title. Probably won't even use that one, but that's fine. Mobile site. Oh, God, yeah. Font navigation. That one I definitely will use. Font family. Where I'm going blind. Oh, why is that crossed out? Oh, because I've already overridden it. And let's do this one as well. What's my space? I also have ternary. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, there's loads. Oh no, they're all the same. Body fonts, not transform. There we go. Okay, hopefully that might do us. Doesn't get tricky to see, I know, because it's all wrapped. It's generally quite good at complaining if not. Okay, that looks better. Let's just give that a quick check. Make sure that this is font family, which is Outfit. Lovely. Okay. Hopefully that should sort us out a bit. I might need to change the font weight of stuff, but I don't know. How are we looking? Well, the H1 definitely needs to be. Oh, so is this? Why is it? I don't know why this is also italic. Ugh. I mean, it's looking a bit better. Oh no, I've closed the other one. Okay. And also I want to line it up this side. Lovely. Okay. So I need to do the button, which has a nice little animation, and there is a box shadow on it that does it on a hover. That kind of slightly moves, but also it's got this kind of words, Louise, come on, you've got this kind of colour change as well. Do you know what? I think it's coffee time, so I'll be back with a coffee.